أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I mean, I just go argue with science, but the thing is, I'm quite depressed without a religion. I feel like I need something to kind of understand what's going on around me. But otherwise, I've finished university. I'm feeling like academic. Everything goes for me through science. That's kind of the thing I'm like brought up with. But I feel like I need to understand other religions.
Yeah, I was saying that in the Quran it says, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah, the hearts find peace and tranquility."
Yeah.
So materialism, it cannot bring you peace and tranquility. So in the Western society, we find that we are forced to try to find peace and peace in alcohol, drugs, music, and these things do not bring you peace, only for a very short period of time. But then when you realize that, okay, I'm not drunk anymore, I'm not feeling, and have another drink, or when you buy a new jacket, then the jacket feels old, then you buy another jacket, or you buy a car, then after a certain amount of time you think, okay, this car is old now, I've had it a long time. So it keeps going, and that person falls into depression. Because materialism, it cannot bring you peace, right?
No, just never content. That's pretty much it.
So we're saying is that this is a spiritual thing, a soul, and your soul has needs. The way that you nourish your soul is that you connect with the Creator, and that's why Allah is saying in the Quran that He has not created mankind and jinn kind, but to worship Him. Right? So if we do not do this, then we will just go towards the depression more and more. And then atheism leads to nihilism. That there is no meaning, there is no purpose. We're just pretending. We're just pretending. It's just emptiness. So atheism, it doesn't have any answers, right? And a lot of atheists misunderstand science. That the Creator is not confined to science, because science is based upon empiricism, our five senses, and induction, taking a small set of data and drawing a bigger conclusion, right? So if someone is looking for God in science, then they're using the wrong yardstick to find the Creator. The Quran is telling us that in the alternation of the night and the day, there are two signs, the night and the day. This is a clear sign that there is a Creator, right? We have 365 days and a quarter every year, precise order, right? We have a solar system. This system that's in place indicates that there is a Creator. The same way that when I look at this building, I know that someone has designed this building. We don't really need to discuss that, right? We know that someone 100% without doubt has designed this building. Yes, has a will, has power, and has knowledge. Same way that the world around you has been organized by the Creator, and the Creator has wisdom, right? Has power, has knowledge. Yes. And the Creator has done all this for you. Yes? For example, the Creator has given you oxygen.
Right.
Therefore, the Creator is merciful. Yes? And these are the actions of the Creator. For example, you didn't choose to exist, right? That you didn't know when you was born. Yes, so the Creator has given you life. You would not choose to die. Choose when to die. Therefore, the Creator will give you death. Right? He's the one that gives you life, and He's the one that gives you death. The Creator is the one. Allah is the one who makes the crops grow. Because in the Quran, Allah is saying that He's the one that brings the rain. Yes?
Okay.
Then it rains, and then the crops grow. And then from these crops, there are different fruits and vegetation, pleasing to the one that is eating it. So he is the provider, right? He's Ar-Razaq, the one that gives you sustenance, right? Therefore, we would understand that the Creator has also sent you complete guidance, like the Quran. And we're saying the Quran is complete guidance. Yes?
Yeah.
It tells you why you exist. Science cannot tell you the why. It cannot tell you why you exist, why you're here. Yes?
Yeah.
What's right and wrong? What happens after you die?
Okay.
Yes?
Like all the ethical stuff and moral stuff.
Atheism, it suffocates these questions. Why we're here?
Yeah.
Yes? What happens after? These questions are very important to the human. Truth, absolute truth.
Yeah.
Yes? So the Quran, it tells you what happens after you die and why you're here. We are here because it's a test. Right? Allah has created life and death to test you, to see who's the best in good deeds. Right? So we do good to try to please the Creator. Yes?
Right.
To earn the pleasure of the Creator. If we follow the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he is a mercy to mankind. Right? He was sent by the Creator so that he can guide us. Yes? So would you agree that there is a Creator?
So I don't know. Again, to be fair, all my family believes in, like, especially like Bosnian, a lot of them are Muslim. But I went to university, I went science route. I was scared of not believing God or Allah or whatever you choose to believe. But I don't know, I feel like it's depressing not believing in a God. But at the same time, I feel like I don't know. I don't explain it. I feel like I would just want to read the Quran just to see what's there, if there's anything that would switch my mind from being an atheist, because it is depressing not believing in anyone. You know, just knowing if I die, there's nothing there, or like there's nothing behind my ethics or morals. That if I kill a person, there's no repercussions really. Yeah, there's no
pointless. Because if you're an atheist, then they would have to believe that life is pointless. It's pointless being here.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no happiness, there's no sadness, right?
Yeah.
And they will force people to believe that science supersedes God.
Yeah.
This is a lie. Okay? Science, it does not supersede God.
Yeah.
Right? Science changes. That's the beauty of science. As a Muslim, we also believe in science. We don't say we don't believe in science.
Yeah.
Okay, even if you look at Hassan ibn Haytham, that the pioneers of science were actually Muslims, yes, right? But today, they are using science in terms of naturalism. That is only a naturalistic explanation. So when they look at the world around us, they can only give you a naturalistic an explanation, right? You need to think deeply about these things. Do you not see that there is order? Do you not see that there is day and night? Do you not see that there are heaven and the earth? Do you not see that there is all of these things around you?
Yeah.
Every day is telling you that these are the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is saying in the Quran, كَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا, that they deny the signs of Allah. Allah will show you signs everywhere, even within yourself. Even within yourself, Allah will show you signs that He exists. But Allah is saying they deny His signs. They are denying His signs. So even internally, so the Prophet Muhammad said everyone is born upon this natural, innate disposition called the fitrah. And this is that everyone has internal knowledge that there is Allah. a creator that is one, independent, not man, not woman, immaterial, cannot be visualized, cannot be drawn. Yes? So this is something that you know internally. 100% you know this. Everyone knows this. Right? This is in the Quran, yes? That Surah Rum verse 30, that Allah has created mankind upon the fitrah. Yes?
Yep.
So I urge you to call upon the Creator, call upon Allah, because you know the Creator cannot be human, yes? Can the Creator be human? No, right? Can the Creator be a man or a woman? The Creator is a being that we cannot imagine.
Yeah.
Allah is saying in the Quran, subhanahu wa ta'ala, amma yushrikun, that they do not give Allah his true appraisal. That he is far above what people are thinking of him. He is far above what people are associating with him, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes?
Yeah.
And Allah has created you to worship him, to glorify his perfection. He is eternal, has no beginning, has no end. He has always existed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes?
Yeah.
Has no son, has no daughter. Yes? Has no wife, has no family tree. Yes? He is alone worthy of worship. It's something that these words, they would resonate with you. Why? It's because there's something inside you that would capture it and agree with it. Call the fitrah. Right? Either you continue with atheism and you go into a downward spiral.
Yeah.
It will just get worse and worse for you, because you are denying the reality that Allah is the truth. He is Al-Haq, He is the truth. Allah is saying in the Quran that He has created the heavens and the earth with truth, in truth. Yes?
Yep.
So the Quran, we know it cannot come from a human. Because I'm just like you, I don't have blind faith. Yes?
Yep.
And the Quran, we know that this is divine. SubhanAllah.
ألا يتدبرون القرآن أم على قلوب أقفالها